we have an endorsement and I am This is for Dear Face with Danica, Blythe, and I. And we are late. We are 1 hour late because the time it keeps on moving because the traffic is so bad. But I swear we left on time.
Wow. Pero hindi naman. Hindi din talaga ako kumalas.
Yeah, I woke up at like 6:45. But then I made kilos so late. Kuya Alex woke up late then. Pero walang may kasalanan guys ha. It's just the traffic is really bad. See you guys there. Yung sikat kong friend.
Ano ba?
Let's do a good morning to sa vlog ko.
Good morning.
I love you. Sorry na. Aga-aga guys, iniinis ko siya. First time namin to. Sige na kain ko.
Kaya first time pa lang, tapos tinanong ako, okay lang ba magkakatabi ka? Ayoko! Ayoko! Ayoko!
May sikat Franny.
Stop it!
Guys, inside joke namin yun ever see. Actually, joke ko siya. Joke. Okay. Okay. Bye. See you guys later. We're setting up na. There's so much food! Pero ngayon, since nagpapapayat tayo, ano muna tayo? Amoy-amoy na lang muna. What's this?
Giniling.
Giniling. Rice, of course. Shit, ang sarap. Egg. Meron na ba ito? Ano yun dun sa labas? Hello po! Hala!
What's that?
Yempo? Yeah. Hala, pwede naman kumain. For lunch pa ba yan? I love yempo, guys. Ayoko pa.
Di po yan kumakain.
Amoy-amoy muna for now. Amoy-amoy lang muna. Guys, si Miss Shaira Luna ang mag-picture sa amin. And it's such an honor. Tagal ko na siyang pina-follow. Ate Shai, can you say hi to my vlog? Hi, vlog. At tagal na share small ka pa lang. Nice to meet you po. I'm excited din. Ang request ko na po, huwag niyo po ako pataba. Kasi hindi ako photogenic masyadong. So, thank you. Thank you, Miss Shai. Nice to meet you po. This is our egg. Ano kami? Totally spice. And look, oh. Heart. It's the details. Of course, akin yung bow. Kung not pa obvious, akin yung bow. And then Danica's. So cute. Setting up na there. So, Blythe station is there. Iba talaga si Ate Silino. Nakakuha siya ng yempo.
Saan pala doon?
Lunch pa to ah.
Sabi niya lang egg. Sabi ko lagyan ng lepo.
Ate ka. Suspect.
Kay Justin.
Panay papayat pero kain ng kain. Diet daw.
Kay Justin.
Wala akong doon sa lalaki.
Wala mo sabi.
Suspect, nagmamautang na.
Pangitin ko.
Alam mo yung mga sobrang out of line na mga suspect, tapos pinababa na nila na ano naman yan, ang kulat naman yun. Pero hindi ko yung gagawin sa'yo.
Hindi, sige, okay lang. Hindi lang ate. Hindi lang ako tayo.
Yeah. Marunong ako sumipa.
Okay, dato na lang.
Strength kong sita.
Because you're...
I can hit really high.
Oh, you're real. That's it. Because that's your power kasi you're the fighter. Parang back widow ka.
Hi!
Meron na ako para sa'yo.
Dalawa lang tayo.
Sa Dudatem with you guys. Miss Jane was sa Dudatem na you guys.
Ano gagawin ko po sa?
I don't know. She asked.
Parang sige po.
Pero siyempre kasi yung roast nyo mas malala. Kasi Bestie, do you wanna know mine?
Wag na! Tapos, ano? Dapat tapo tayo tatlo. Suspect, walang mga matinong tatay.
Suspect, walang mga tatay.
Suspect, may mommy issues. Suspect, may daddy issues. Suspect, mga different ang daddy.
Oh, how many years nagka-work ulit kami?
No. Tapos natin work ano pa? 4 years ago. 5 years ago.
4 years. Ang ganda mo naman.
Ito best
Suspect mukhang doll.
Suspect mukhang anong Barbie na lang.
Love you. Anika is there sa other room. Pero kasi ito forever na. Forever na siya eh.
Pera pa rin.
No, we have 3 wishes anyways. Basta ako
Isa lang yung wish.
Basta my first wish talaga is eat whatever
Paano kung isa
I
lang yung
want.
wish mo?
Ano still wish
Bahala
na.
ka.
Yeah.
Sexy ka, wala ka ng pera.
Ay, hindi. Kaya nga,
Trabaho na lang, no?
tatrabaho na lang ako. Kasi puhunan yung ganda. Ay, tama, puhunan yung ganda.
Hindi sa lahat.
Puhunan yung ganda. I will wish for me to be...
Hindi sa lahat.
No, basta yun ang wish ko. Huwag mo naguluhin. Ikaw na lang ang maging mayaman sa atin. Basta ako kakain. That's my wish. Eat whatever I want. Nang hindi tumataba. Yun lang. We're done na by the way. We're gonna ano na lang. We're gonna bihis na lang. My turn.
Alam mo, kung sa atin tatlo ako yung unang mabuntis, magugulat ako.
Ako din.
Kasi tingin ko ikaw o si Daddy.
Wala ako. I feel like it's Danica.
We're back again with another concept. Are you excited? Are you ready to get tired?
Thank you.
She's a skinny queen.
It's a city legend, I guess.
Oo nga. Pero much better siya in person, no? Yung, I mean, yung outfit. Kaya ko. Hindi.
I was also gonna say
Yung outfit,
direct.
Hello, is this the vlog?
Yes.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Sobrang cordial. Sobrang cordial.
Start na ba tayo?
May bell.
Yes,
Yes, you will.
give it totally smart.
Yes.
Yung gadget person. Let's speak now. Ubus mo na yung baril mo.
Carrie.
What?
Got this. Got this.
Reply break siya.
Ready? Okay, na-play. Action. Alam mo yung hand mo. One. So, nakataas.
Hi, Bestie!
Saan ka na?
Sa video.
Hi, Tata.
Hi, Mama Mariah! Ganda naman! Nagkaroon lang siya ng boses, guys!
And nobody and all of us. Asan yung wala akong props? Gusto ko na props. No wizard that there is or was is ever gonna bring me down. I hope you're happy that I'm. Look at her, she's a wicked. Ano yun? Paano ulit yun?
Hindi ba Bring Me Down na? And?
Kunyari na lang nagawa ko, guys.
And?
Guys, palakpakan niyo yung
Retouch tayo.
Something has changed with me kasi balik ko siya.
This girl.
Power. Sabay-sabay. And pose. Action. Walk. And pose. Hold the pose. Cut to one action. And pose. And pa. Fierce. Action. Pa. And 1, 2, walk away. Then ready. 3, 2, 1, action. Patingin ka ulit. Pwede mo pa.
Jay!
Hello!
Miss Jay, thank you for loving us. Love you. We're gonna do a TikTok.
Yes, let's go.
There.
Super gamit na gamit mo yan, no?
Yes.
Sa'yo, Miss Jane.
You wanna do something? I can't go to top.
1, 2, 3, go.
You wanna do something fun?
Nag-tiptoe lang.
Ang hing-hing naman.
Patingin niya ako ng count. Oh! Tama natin to, Miss Shaya.
Ngayon, ako'y magkakagawa na.
Okay, this is like a basically it's a booty shot.
Okay. Hindi, sinundun niya ako sa school, tapos nag-usap kami. Tapos dinala niya ako sa bahay niya, tapos nanood ako basketball. Tapos the next day, pumunta ako sa bahay niya. Tapos lagi na kami nakikita ever since na. Wala, miss ko na siya.
Papakita mo ba siya sa akin?
Yeah.
Naka-video call.
Reaction video.
Say hi to my boss. Say hi to my boss, my mommy. Mommy J, say hi.
Oh yeah, your type. I'm so happy for you. Imagination mo.
Alam mo na eh.
Like, why do you trust Beauty Milk?
Kasi nakakapag-glow talaga siya. Nakakaganda talaga. Literal na beauty milk.
Yeah, okay. Game.
Roll. 3, 2, 1, action. Just. Yes. 3, 2, 1, action. Jump. Back. Jump, back.
TikTok na sila.
Pwede ka sa pagka... Suspect! Nagre-reply lang pag-clip niya! Suspect! Pikiinin pero ang tamang-tamaw!
Parang pinag-uusapan. Parang pinakamabigat yung sayo, babe.
Ang dami niyang list, Miss J.
Ang daming pwedeng iba tayo, no?
Sinali na to ah! Sinali na nagbigay nito ah! Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Suspect! Mahilig bumalik sa mali!
Ay? Personal?
1, 2, 3, go! Suspect!
Bye guys! Pack up! Bye! Bye! Love you! We're done! Thank you, Miss J! Thank you! Congratulations! I love you guys!
1, 2, 3.
Congrats!